Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tania. Please take a moment to subscribe and press the bell icon beside it to get notified whenever I upload a video. Today's look is inspired from the beautiful actress NUSRAT JAHAN and is a very elegant, glowing and a glamorous one which is perfect for any summertime occasions. So let's jump into the video. I have already moisturized my face, so I am starting with the primer. I am using an illuminating primer today to get the perfect glow. I will do my brows first. If you want to see in details how I do my brows, then please click the link above and check out the video. I'm quickly filling in my brows, and now with the clear gel I will just fix my brow hair. Now I'm using a concealer to clean underneath my brows. This will make my brows more prominent. To even out my skin tone and to hide all the discoloration and hyperpigmentation on my face, I'm using a orange color corrector. I will apply this with the help of a brush, and then I will just very light-handedly dab a damp beauty blender over it so that the beauty blender absorbs all the excess products and the color corrector doesn't mix with my foundation, which is coming up next. For foundation, I'm using the Milani foundation today. This foundation is so good to use during the summer, especially because it feels really light on your skin but giving you the perfect coverage. First, I will apply the foundation on all over my face, and then with the help of a damp beauty blender I will just blend it out. As we are doing this makeup especially for the summer, so I don't want to use anything that feels heavy on my skin because that will not be long lasting. Now to contour my face, I am using a concealer stick from NYB. NUSRAT don't have a very harsh contouring going on, so I will try to follow that, and I will very lightly contour my face. If you don't want to show your contour much, then try to do cream contour because that looks really mild on your skin rather than powder contour, which looks harsh. Now with the lighter shade concealer, I am going to highlight the high planes of my face. I am doing it in small sections because this concealer tends to dry quickly. But this concealer is really good for all skin types. This gives a beautiful coverage and does not crease very easily. If you want to see a detailed video on contouring and highlight, please click the link above. Now to set my base, I am using a loose powder from Dermacol. This powder is really invisible, it just melts into your skin. I just love this to set my base. I'm using the same damn beauty blender to set my base. If you want to see a detailed video on how to do a perfect base for summer, please click the link above. Now I'll use a setting spray and lock everything. For eye makeup, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette today. But before that, I am setting my eyelid with the help of a loose powder so that the concealer doesn't crease. Now to start with, I am using henna on my crease line I will saturate the color only on my crease line and on the outer V. Now with a bigger blending brush, I will take the light pink shade and diffuse the edges. This is going to be my transition shade. I will blend the two colors so that there are no harsh lines left. This eye makeup is so simple, easy to do and so elegant, and is also a very universal makeup because you can wear this eye makeup with literally any Indian outfit. I will use henna on my lower lash line at first, and then I will just diffuse the edges and blend it with the light pink shade once again. Now I am just with my finger, I am applying the golden shimmer shade on my eyelid, and with the brush I am just blending the edges. Now with a small definer brush, I am applying the same golden color on my lower lash line, but only in the inner 1/3. Now I am highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone with a highlighter from Makeup Revolution. All the products I am using are listed in the description box below along with their buying links. I'll draw a small beautiful wing today for my eyeliner, and for my lower and upper waterline I am using the Lakme Iconic Kajal. I will not smudge the kajal in my lower waterline. Now I will curl my natural lashes and apply a good coat of mascara. I am using the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. I will go quickly off camera and apply my falsies. This is from Pro Art. These lashes are so natural that you can't even tell that I'm wearing lashes. I will very lightly contour my face once again. I will highlight my face further with the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the shade NC25. If you have already done baking, you can skip this step. I will apply the powder only on the high planes of my face, which I have highlighted previously. Now for my blush, I am using this pink color from the iMagic palette. As you can see in the picture, she has a very beautiful and strong highlight going on. So to achieve that, I am using a highlighter from Makeup Revolution. And now to lock and seal everything, and for the final time I am using a setting spray. Liquid matte lipsticks tend to make your lips really dry sometimes, so I am using a lip balm before applying my lipstick. She has worn a beautiful peach pink lip shade. I have something very near to that, but somehow in the camera it is appearing to be more pinkish. So here is the completed makeup look. I will quickly go off camera and wear my sari and jewelry and do my hairstyle and come back. So here is the final look. Hope you all like it. This look is really easy to do and very simple. I think anyone can do this makeup. If the tutorial was helpful enough, please let me know by commenting below. And if you like my work, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Share this video with your friends and family and give it a big thumbs up if you like it. I will see you soon with a brand new video on Saturday. Thank you so much for watching.